Do you understand the reductions heading your way when you retire early from the railroad? Welcome everyone to another edition of the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Whiteboard. My name is John McNamara of Highball Advisors, and today we're going to talk about railroaders that retire early and the reductions that they can expect in their railroad retirement annuity by leaving early. So those with 30 years of service, they have no reductions when they start their annuity at 60. So this video is geared towards those railroaders that will have less than 30 years and be at the age of 62. So let's just walk through these reductions, and then it really goes back to the planning, the whole planning process here. So if you retire with less than 30 years, let's say you retire at 62, that's the earliest you can retire at. Okay, so the maximum reduction for those who retire at 62 would be 30%. So 30% is the reduction, and basically they do it month by month. So every month that you continue to work past 62, that reduction gets smaller and smaller. So it's 1/180th for the first 36 months, and then the final months is 1/240th for each additional month. And that's the same formula for Tier 1 and Tier 2. All right, very important. So this is on the employee annuity. And now remember, there's two parts. If you're married, there's also the spouse annuity. Let's look at that. So the spouse can start their railroad retirement spousal annuity at 62, assuming that the employee has started to collect their annuity. That is the only way they can start it. So now the max reduction for the spouse is 35%, right? So it's even a little bit more. And their formula is 1/144th for the first 36 months, then 1/240th for each additional month. All right, so these are significant reductions, and I just want to walk you through it to illustrate what I'm talking about here. So once again, this does not apply for those railroaders who have their 30 years and will have no reduction. So let's just take an example of somebody who wants to retire at 62. So Tier 1 at full retirement age, it would be, let's say, $2,000. Their Tier 2 would be $1,200 at full retirement age. So that's the monthly benefit just on the employee annuity of $3,200. Okay, and let's say at 62 now, what would they be getting? So they'd be getting $1,400, which is 30% reduction, and $840, which is another 30% reduction for $2,240. So that's just the employee side there. So from $3,200 to $2,240, that's about $1,000 less a month almost coming in there. Now on the spousal portion of Tier 1, right, they would get $1,000, right, 50% of the Tier 1 at full retirement age, and $540, which is 45% of the Tier 2. So that's $1,540 for a grand total of $4,740 if they waited till full retirement age, $4,740. Now, the reduction here for the spouse is at 35%. So that's $650 at 62 and $351 on the Tier 2 for $901 for a grand total of $3,141 a month. So, boy, that's $1,500 extra dollars just about coming in there additionally every month if they wait till full retirement age. So the point of this is the 62 might work for individuals, but how would you know, right? How would you know unless you run those numbers, right? So, hey, what other income do I have? Maybe I had a higher earning spouse. Maybe I have some rental income. Hey, maybe I socked away a lot in the 401k. So I don't want to say that this is impossible, but you have to do the math to make this possible, because this is a $1,500 hit just on this example. All right, so don't just say willy-nilly, oh, 62, I'm leaving. But if you can do the math, yeah, 62 might be a great number. But please, please, please do the math. All right, so I just want to introduce age reductions to you, start getting you to think about it. Reach out to me if you're at or near retirement, want to go through these age reductions through my Boarding for Railroad retirement process. A lot of railroaders have found that helpful. All right, so you have that at your disposal. YouTube channel, another thing at your disposal. Click on the notification bell to get the latest videos. Click on the subscribe button. Share the video. I love when it's shared. That's great. So until next time, everyone, please stay safe, stay on track, and take care. So long, everybody. Bye.